3, 2, 1, los!
Hi, it's me again, Jan, and I'd like to welcome you for a new episode of LaserIt. For all who are new to this channel, here I will show you my projects that I used to do in private, but all by the use of our eurolaser laser cutters. And for the reason that one of my hobbies is model rocketry, at this time it will be something that literally takes off. I will construct and build my own high-power model rocket. When it comes to the point that the weight of 5 to 6 kilograms goes up and easily reaches a speed of 700 to 800 kilometers an hour, structural strength becomes absolutely essential. For this, I used to cut out quite a lot of parts by the help of our laser cutters, such as fabric from glass fiber and carbon fiber for the airframe, as well as bulkheads and centering rings from aircraft-grade plywood for the internal structure. The cutout parts were laminated into a mold that I bought from a fellow model builder. After all parts were successfully taken from the mold, it was time to bring in the internal components, like the lower inner tube that holds the rocket motor in place, or the upper inner tube for the parachute compartment. Even when it came to join the fins to the airframe, eurolaser R&D department supported me with a 3D printed fin alignment guide that did a perfect job. Again, thanks for this. The structure of the nose cone holds the counterweight for the weight of the rocket motor to ensure flight stability. For this, close to 1 kilogram of lead shot was glued in. It also holds the electronic bay with the power supply for 2 barometric devices that control the ejection of the parachute. So, step by step, it became a real rocket. Extraordinary stiff, sturdy, and lightweight. And after endless hours of filling and sanding, it was finally time for the paint job. The maiden flight on a motor that offers more than 60 kilograms of thrust took place at the annual launch event of my Rocketry Association, and it was a full success. Way too nervous, and also not allowed to push the start button by myself, I witnessed a perfect flight. It soared off the pad, went straight up to 1,000 meters above ground, and came down safe and sound, hanging under the 2-meter main parachute. One thing left to say. Don't try this at home, cause I'm a professional. I hold all the permissions and certifications to handle explosives and propellants like I used here. Flight took place under controlled conditions.
Wir starten in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, los!
Wow, that's what I call a successful flight. Thanks for watching, and don't miss out the next episode of LaserIt. Bye bye.